Hi, my name is Jen. I'm a nurse at CRCC North. I'm so happy you could join me today for the CRCC Learning at Home activity. Today we're going to be talking about nature. So we went on our little hike and we picked up some items for our nature sensory bottle. Okay, we're about to go for a walk. This is Snickers. Oh, that's Casper. Hi, Casper.
Hi, sweet girl.
Hi. He's like, eh. You know what? If I were brave enough, I would show you the little rabbit's nest over there, but I'm not. Because I don't want to scare the bunnies. There, we got one. There's a little baby. We got a hitchhiker. He's right there. Hanging out. Oh, he lost them. It's actually really pretty. Were you not videotaping the entire thing?
But
okay.
I didn't videotape this part.
Piece of corn cob.
Nice.
It'd be really cool if I could find, like, I don't know.
See?
I think we're gonna use some of these like fluffy things.
Kind of like wheat.
Yeah, like I wonder if I can get these to just peel off. We'll put those in our sensory bottle. That's my sister.
Hello.
Hi.
Look, Jennifer has found some
I'm not
fungus.
to touch it because I don't know what kind it is.
No, don't touch it.
But it's the kind that like
Tis fungus.
grows on trees.
Yes, growing
Now,
on the tree.
under some circumstances, it would be symbiotic, like it wouldn't kill the tree. But
On this-
obviously, this tree is dead.
Here
we found some pretty flowers.
Oh, it's more that little weed thing.
Yeah, I like these. Ow. Nature. I got bit. So we went on our little hike and we picked up some items for our nature sensory bottle. This is modeled after the book The Curious Garden by Peter Brown. And The Curious Garden is about a little boy named Liam, and he decides to plant some green stuff in his city that doesn't have any green stuff. And you'll have to read it to find out what happens. But we're just gonna got some sticks here. We're just gonna put our stuff in our sensory bottle. Maybe. You can either make a loud one. I got like sticks and rocks, or you can make a quiet one. You can even make them with water. You can pick like I've got some wild grass here, and what was I gonna say? Like flower petals, and put them in water, and then just glue the top on like that. And so it kind of depends on what kind of sensory bottle you want to make. Let's see, how do I want to do this? We're just gonna put there. Put our stuff in the bottle. I'm just using a used water bottle. You could use like a mason jar as long as you think your kids will be careful with it. Found some wildflowers. Got some bits of dandelion. This is all from my uncle's farm out in Creighton, Nebraska. So, and these are really fun. Like the kids at the center like them because they make noise and they're interesting, and they're also captive little items that they don't get to see every day. Oh, my dandelion died. That's okay because I want to use the seeds. What else have I got? Got more sticks. It's getting kind of full. I have more stuff than I thought I did. This is my favorite. We found a little piece of corn cob. Looks kind of cool. And this is it's really fun with like rocks or like water. You can put dye in the water. Little kids love to play around with it. We've got some in our toddler room at North right now, and I think we actually have some in the baby room as well. I would recommend that you choose either wet or dry. You don't want to put stuff in here that's like moist and then put the cap on, because it might get kind of moldy and gross. And I've just got some little, I don't know how well you guys can see these. I've got some little red rocks that I picked up off my uncle's driveway. But they're the perfect size. I'm pretty happy with that. Mine's just going to be a pretty sensory bottle. And then, I don't know where I put my lid, but you just, you want to glue the lid on so that kids aren't going to like pull it off and eat what's inside. And this is what it ends up looking like. And it's just kind of fun to like look at things in nature that you don't always take the time to stop and look at. So that's about it. Thank you for joining me for this Your Seed-Sowing Learning at Home activity. I hope your day is full of joy, health, and happiness. Thank you.